DIKWP, Shogun aboard. Your learning journey starts now. Alright, let's dive right in. Your liver's screaming for help. What's the secret code to fix it? Forget the usual suspects. We're cracking this case using a super cool framework called the DIKWP model. Think of it as a treasure map for medical mysteries: data, information, knowledge, wisdom, and purpose. Today, we're on a mission to decode how this map helps us repair liver injuries. Ready? Let's go. So, what is this DIKWP magic? It's like a 5-star upgrade path for understanding health. First, you've got data, the raw stuff, like your alt levels spiking or a weird pulse reading. Then, information. That's where patterns pop up, like, whoa, alt 3 times higher than normal? That means liver cells are crying for help. Next, knowledge. This is the big picture, like knowing that certain fatigue and appetite loss plus tiny enzyme changes scream early warning. Then comes wisdom, the aha moment, the gut feeling that says, okay buddy, stop the booze, now. And finally, purpose, the ultimate goal, whether it's healing the liver or preventing it from turning into a hardened rock. See? It's not just jargon, it's a step-by-step guide to making smart decisions. Let's see this in action with a real liver injury scenario. Stage 1. Identification. We start with raw data. Think blood tests, maybe some imaging. Then, we look at the information. Does anything look off? Like, alt levels way too high? That's a red flag. Using tons of data, we build knowledge. Maybe we find that even slight alt increases mean higher risk for some folks. Stage 2. Diagnosis. We mix all the symptoms and test results. That's information talking to data. We build rules based on past cases. That's knowledge growing. Stage 3. Treatment. This is where wisdom shines. A doctor sees key signs, like clotting problems, and makes a snap decision. That's wisdom acting on data. And the purpose shifts, maybe from just watching to actively fighting fibrosis. It's a dynamic flow, not a straight line. Now, here's where it gets spicy. Different medical systems have their own DIKWP flavors. Traditional Chinese medicine, or TCM, is like the holistic detective. They gather tons of data, tongue color, pulse, mood, everything. Their wisdom is dialectical, seeing the whole picture. If they see damp heat in the liver, their wisdom dictates clearing heat and draining dampness. Western medicine, on the other hand, is the precision sniper. They focus on specific data points, like ALT or AST levels, and use solid, evidence-based knowledge to target treatments. But guess what? The future is fusion. Imagine TCM's intuitive wisdom meeting Western precision. That's where the real magic happens, combining the best of both worlds for smarter, more complete care. And hold on tight, because technology is turbocharging this whole process. Artificial intelligence is like having a super smart assistant crunching massive data sets to turn numbers into actionable wisdom. Think MELD scores predicting survival. Stem cell therapy? That's injecting new knowledge directly into the body's repair toolkit. Wearable devices? They're constantly feeding us real-time data, creating super tight feedback loops between you and your doctor. The future? AI working hand in hand with TCM insights, empowered by patients actively managing their own health. It's not just about fixing the liver, it's about building a whole ecosystem for healing, faster, smarter, and way more personalized. So, what's the takeaway from our whirlwind tour? The DIKWP model isn't just theory, it's a practical roadmap for tackling liver injury. By blending different medical systems, TCM, Western, and now AI, we're creating a powerful synergy. The goal? Smarter, faster, and deeply personalized care. This isn't just for doctors, it's for anyone curious about how our bodies heal and how we can help them. You're part of this incredible journey, so stay curious, keep asking questions, and maybe, just maybe, you'll be the one to crack the next big code.